Hey everyone, welcome back to Science Facts, the channel that makes learning cool again. You know, I was watching this documentary the other day about, space and stuff, and I was like, whoa, how do people even know this stuff? It's bananas. So today we're diving into some fascinating facts that you're probably too lazy to Google yourself. Get ready to have your mind blown. Let's get started. Did you know that water can boil and freeze at the same time? It's called the triple point. Or that there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches? And get this, your brain generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Plus, if you stretched out all the DNA in your body, it would reach the sun and back, over 600 times. Mind-blowing, right? Let's dive into more incredible science facts. Alright, first up we have honey, sweet honey. It's that golden, sticky delight that we all love to drizzle on our pancakes, stir into our tea, or even just eat straight from the jar. You know, the sticky stuff that Winnie the Pooh can't get enough of? Yeah, that's the one. It's been a favorite for centuries, and for good reason. So, honey is basically nature's energy drink, right? Packed with natural sugars, it's a quick source of energy, and has been used in traditional medicine for ages. But here's the thing, it never spoils. That's right, honey has an indefinite shelf life, I know, right? How is that even possible? You'd think something so sweet would go bad eventually, but nope. It's true. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are thousands of years old, and guess what? They were still perfectly edible. It's still good to eat. Imagine tasting something that was made thousands of years ago. They say it's because of the bees, man. These little insects are like nature's master chemists. Those little guys are like master chemists or something. They work tirelessly to create this magical substance. They add all these special enzymes to the nectar and boom! The result is honey, which is naturally antibacterial and has low moisture content. It's like a preservation spell. These enzymes and the low moisture content prevent bacteria and other microorganisms from growing. You could say it's nature's time capsule. Unbelievable. So next time you enjoy a spoonful of honey, remember, you're tasting a bit of history. Okay, next up we have a real head scratcher. We're talking about bananas, those yellow things you peel and eat. Turns out they're berries. I know, right? Mind blown. But hold on, it gets even weirder. Strawberries? Those little red things that everyone thinks are berries? Yeah, they're not. It's like the universe is playing a big cosmic joke on us. So, scientifically speaking, a berry is a fruit that comes from a single flower with one ovary. Bananas fit the bill, but strawberries don't. Who knew? It's enough to make you go bananas. And get this, tomatoes are also berries. They develop from a single ovary too. Even cucumbers fall into the berry category. It's wild. Watermelons? Yep, they're berries too. The botanical world is full of surprises. Chapter 3. Octopuses. 3 hearts and blue blood. That's out of this world. Alright, let's talk about octopuses. These guys are like the superheroes of the sea, with 8 arms, incredible intelligence, and get this, 3 hearts. 3 hearts. Can you imagine? It's like they're 3 times as loving as any other creature on Earth. And if that wasn't cool enough, their blood is blue. Blue. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. Apparently, it has something to do with copper instead of iron in their blood. I don't know about you, but I'm starting to think octopuses might actually be aliens. Did you know they can change color to blend into their surroundings? It's like having a built-in invisibility cloak. And their bodies are so flexible they can squeeze through openings as small as a coin. Plus, if they lose an arm, they can just grow it back. Talk about resilience. Their hunting skills are top-notch too. They can use tools and even plan their attacks. Some species even live in the deep sea and have bioluminescent abilities. Now that's truly mind-blowing. Chapter 5. A day longer than a year, Venus, your one strange cookie. Okay, this next one is about Venus, our planetary neighbor. Venus is often called Earth's twin because of their similar size and composition, but that's where the similarities end. Now, Venus is known for being hot, like really hot, with surface temperatures reaching up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, but did you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus? I know it sounds crazy, right? But it's true. Venus has an incredibly slow rotation speed. Venus spins so slowly on its axis that it takes about 243 Earth days to complete one rotation. In contrast, it takes only about 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun. So, imagine this. You're on Venus, and the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east, because Venus spins backward. This retrograde rotation is unique among the planets in our solar system. And to top it all off, you'd only get to celebrate your birthday every 2 Venus years. That's because a single day on Venus lasts longer than its year. Talk about a long birthday. Imagine waiting almost 2 Earth years just to blow out your candles. Venus truly is a fascinating and bizarre world. But wait, there's more. Venus has a thick atmosphere composed mainly of carbon dioxide with clouds of sulfuric acid, making it a very hostile environment. This dense atmosphere creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the Sun. The atmospheric pressure on Venus is also crushing, about 92 times that of Earth's at sea level. It's like being 900 meters underwater. And did you know that Venus is covered with volcanoes? It's home to more volcanoes than any other planet in our solar system, with over 1,600 major volcanoes and volcanic features. Venus also experiences intense lightning storms, which are believed to be caused by the interaction of its thick clouds and volcanic activity. Truly, Venus is a world full of extremes. Chapter 6. 50% banana? Hey, I resemble that remark. Last but not least, we have a fact that's going to make you question everything you thought you knew about yourself. It's one of those mind-blowing pieces of information that you just can't unlearn. Are you ready for this? Humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas. Yes, you heard that right. Half of our genetic material is the same as that of a banana. I know, it sounds crazy, but it's true. This fascinating fact highlights just how interconnected all life on Earth really is. We may look different, and we certainly don't have peelable skin, or at least most of us don't, but our genetic code tells a different story. It's a reminder of our shared origins. But deep down, we're all just a bunch of bananas walking around. This connection to such a simple fruit is both humbling and fascinating. Okay, maybe not literally, but still. It makes you wonder about the complexity and beauty of life. It's amazing to think that we share so much in common with a fruit, even at the genetic level. This revelation opens up a whole new perspective on how we view ourselves and the natural world around us. Did you know that the atoms in your body are billions of years old? They were formed in the hearts of stars that exploded long before our solar system existed. And here's another mind-blowing fact. The water you drink is as old as the Earth itself. Every drop has been cycling through the planet's systems for billions of years. Trees are some of the oldest living organisms on Earth. Some trees, like the bristlecone pine, can live for over 5,000 years. Fossils tell us that life on Earth has been evolving for over 3.5 billion years. Each fossil is a snapshot of a moment in time, a piece of the puzzle of our planet's history. And let's not forget about cells. The human body is made up of around 37.2 trillion cells, each one a tiny, complex world of its own. Our brains are incredibly powerful. They contain about 86 billion neurons, and each neuron can form thousands of connections, making our brains the most complex structures in the known universe. So whether it's our shared DNA with bananas or the ancient atoms in our bodies, science continually reveals the wonders of our existence. It's a journey of discovery that never ceases to amaze. That's a wrap! Thanks for watching. We hope you had as much fun as we did. If you enjoyed these fun facts, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interesting content. See you next time. And remember, the next time you're eating a banana, think about all the DNA you're sharing with it. Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Also, a single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to toast 100,000 slices of bread. Alright, I'm out of here. Take care.